Hello everyone, my name is Dale Angela and today I will show you how to divide two digits to one digit number with and without regrouping. I have here a sample number which is 10. So we will first use number 10 in division with regrouping. Let us say we are going to divide it to 3. So 10 divided by 3 is our problem. Now we should think of a number that can be multiplied to 3, can be subtracted to 10. The possible number that we can use is 3. So we will put 3 here above 0 and multiply it to 3. Now 3 times 3 is equals to 9. Put 9 below 10. Then subtract. So 10 minus 9 is 1. The quotient is 3, remainder 1. And that is how you divide two-digit numbers to one digit with regrouping. Now we will proceed to dividing two-digit numbers to one digit without regrouping. Using the same number is 10. We will divide it to number 2. So I have here 10 divided by 2. To get the answer, we must find a number that we can multiply to 2. Let us say 5. So we will put 5 above 0. Then multiply 5 to 2. So 5 times 2 is equals to 10. Then subtract 10. So 10 minus 10 is equals to 0. Or you can put x. The quotient is 5. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. And that is how you divide two-digit numbers to one-digit number without regrouping. Keep safe and God bless everyone.